How to install zip files on Android phones. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how you can easily install zip files on your Android device. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. In order to install some zip files on your Android device, you will need this application called ZArchiver. You can find it on Play Store. Just head over to your Play Store and install this app. And once you have done that, you can just open up your Z Archiver app. It will open up all of your file manager. So it's kind of a file manager where you'll have to locate your zip files. And in your Android device, you will not be able to install any other files than APK. So if there is an APK file inside your zip file, then only you'll be able to download or install the app, else it will just help you to unzip the file or just unlock it. Now to first you need to locate your zip file. So mine is on my downloads. I'm just going to go ahead and open up my Telegram app here, and here I have some zip files. So I'm just going to open this one. All you have to do is long press on the zip file, and then from here you can just go ahead and extract this. So just go ahead and tap on this one and then tap on extract here. So once you do that, all of the files inside the zip file will be extracted. As you can see, this is a video file, but if there was an APK file inside the zip file, you should be able to download that APK file or install it on your device. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.